It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. It comes with great features you love. Twin-turbo V6 engine, height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, remote engine start, power telescoping steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.